I am an eagle, let me spread my wings across this wondrous land and stand for all good things, for strength and hope, integrity. Oh, let our hearts beat proud and free. Take my hand and come with me where eagles fly for liberty, truth and justice, equality.
So ito din yung ilog na dadaanan ng supplier. Kaya nga dito pa lang talagang ayaw na nila. Mahirap kasing pilitin eh. Itong ilog na to, malayo pa ito sa school. As what I have said, this is almost 30 kilometers away from the school. Ito, malaki ngayon. So, yung mini dam, dito talaga makadaan. Kaya nga, we need to drop all the materials at City Opian. So si City Opian is 30 kilometers away from the mini dam. Hindi talaga kaya. Kaya ang supply natin, as what I have said before sa previous video, na ang supply nasa Opian. Opian to New Tawas is almost 30 kilometers away. Na pahirapan ang daan. Yung dati pwede pa, pero sa ngayon hirap talaga. The first supplier is sumuko sila sa daan. Mas lalo na yung daan na malapit sa school. Yung pinaka-problema. Ito nga pinaka-problema na. Walang supplier na mag-survive talaga. Yung another supplier na kinuhan ko for the next purchase, hindi talaga hindi nakalapit sa school. Mau ni lisod kaya nga dalag dari pastor no? Mana hindi nila. Ito yung pinakamahirap na daan. Ito yung daan na malayo pa sa school. Tapos yung first supplier talaga nag-surrender na. Ewan ko sana kukuha ng supply. Wala ng supplier na magpabili ng ganung supply kasi dili na kayang daan ang daan sa ngayon. Tingnan natin. Hindi kaya ng mini dam, hindi motor. Kaya nga supply nasa Opian lang. So we need to pay the hauler the intended amount para hindi din sila lugi sa gasolina. Ito na nga yan. Yung tubig nasa gitna na, lumabas na yung mga bato.
I am an eagle, let me spread my wings across this wondrous land and stand for all good things, for strength and hope, integrity. let our hearts be proud and free. Take my hand and come with me where eagles fly for liberty, truth and justice, equality, for God and home we live or die. I'll see you up where eagles fly. I am an eagle, soaring brave and bold. Commitment to the things we do with heart and soul, to make this world a better place to be. When the storms of life are raging, let me help mankind to see I am an eagle, doing all I can to ease the pain, to lessen ills, to lend a hand. Lord, let me live my life to give. Let me show the world I care. Oh, my friends, I'll see you there where eagles fly for liberty, truth and justice, equality, for God and home we live or die. I'll see you up where eagles fly. People helping people, this is who we are. People helping people, reaching for the stars where